All right, everyone, we are in Spring Lake, Michigan today for our Community Wednesday. We are at Tri-City Auto, and throughout the year they do so many things to support the community, but right now they do something very special. So I have Stephanie, the office manager, here. And Stephanie, what do you have going on?
Yeah, so during the month of October, we have our annual VFW fundraiser where we raise funds for our local VFW members within the West Michigan community. So we have local businesses donate prizes to be raffled off within the community. You can purchase a raffle ticket for $5 each or 5 for $20. All proceeds go to our local VFW right here in Grand Haven, Michigan.
And so when is the drawing?
So the drawing is in November. So we will be selling raffle tickets until November 8th. And then on November 8th, we will announce our winners via your tickets on social media, and then we will also give you a courtesy shout as well, just to let you know that you're known.
Perfect. So what you need to do is make sure that you go out and like their business page, Tri-City Auto, so on Facebook, so that way you can also see if you won any great prizes. And you have prizes from $5 probably all the way up to
$100.
Nice.
So yes, we've got a ton of great things, and you can find all of those listed on our Facebook page on our Tri-City Auto Repair.
Perfect.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for having us.
Yes, thank you for coming.
I look forward to seeing how well you do this year.
Well, great. Thank you so much.
Yep.
I appreciate your support.
You're welcome.
Alrighty.